Ooh, she's back in one piece. Look at that. Let's go wash her up and we'll talk about it. Wash, soap, bam. Before we jump into the video, everyone, a quick message from my sponsor, Amino. What is an Amino? It's an app with communities on it for every interest and passion. From my last video with them, you know I'm a part of the Motorcycle Amino. My favorite part of the Motorcycle Amino is keeping up to date with the community. I can see everything that is happening on the feature feed. If you ever have a free minute, you can always challenge yourself with a cool user-created quiz or make your own to test your knowledge. I've posted a poll to my profile, so go there and answer it. You'll help me out with my next bike choice. And don't forget to download Motorcycle Amino by clicking the link in the description below or my pinned comment. It's free, works on Android and iOS, and don't forget to follow me there by searching my username, snowcat. Welcome to Canadian winters, man. Oh, copyright, first video back, copyright strike. This is what the Canadian winters do, man. Like, this car got absolutely messed up in the front. Let's see if we can go to the front. This bumper's hanging off. Look at that. Oh, let's get out of here. Before we get into this, let's post up some photos from the garage. So I've done so much more in here, and we'll get to that in a second. But we're just cutting up the calendar. We're gonna put some of these right here. Make sure it's lined up. Is that straight, level?
Yes, it is.
Who's next? You said this way so it looks good, right?
Yes.
So they're kissing each other? Head-to-head battles. Who's next? This is Bradley? Well, this is Mika. It's their test rider.
KTM.
Well, that's nice. Oh yeah, I guess if we move stuff out the way, it'd be easier. There we go, check it out. What are you working on for your journal? Oh yeah. Okay, we're still going to clean the car up, guys. Not quite done yet. I'm going to get it all nice and clean, and then we'll come back and discuss the incident. Where have I been, guys? I've been taking a much needed month break from doing YouTube. I've been doing it for years, 4 or 5 years now, and I haven't really taken a nice long break, so I really enjoyed the break, and it's really weird talking to the camera again, which is kind of cool. So some updates for you guys. Where have I been? I've been working. I do lots of stuff. I don't really talk about it too much, so we'll leave it at that. I'm going to make more videos for the new year. We have so much to talk about. The race series coming up with LTU E-Moto, the electric bikes, trying to get some stuff with some other brands. Can't really say too much right now. And of course, this video is sponsored by Amino Apps, so thanks so much for them for sponsoring this video. Right, so we have a big update now for the car. As you can see, she's now fixed. Thank God. And it turns out it was more money than what we actually thought, what I guessed. So long story short, if you didn't watch the other video, I got into a small fender bender with a girl in the parking lot and found out after the fact that she had hit and run a car in the parking lot, and she was leaving and she tried to get away out of the parking lot, going through the drive-through without using the actual drive-through window. She didn't buy or pay for anything or get any food. She drove through and hit my car. And I know this because someone in the back of her car, one of her friends, was talking about it at their school, and one of the persons was a subscriber to me, saw the crash and DM'd me and said, yo, look, this is what really happened. She hit and run someone, and then she hit your car on the way out. And I was trying to be nice, and I got some rude messages from the father, from her. One of her friends was like calling me and telling me like a bunch of very rude stuff I can't really say. But long story short, we have the results here for the estimate and the fix. And it came to, I said, look guys, it's gonna be about 2,000 bucks. Do you wanna do cash so you don't get dinged? I was trying to be nice and say, hey, do you wanna do cash outside of insurance? And he took it like I was trying to like take advantage or you know, overcharge, or I don't know, his whole rant on text. But I said it's gonna be about $2,000, and he's like, I saw the damage, it's not gonna be $2,000, you're a liar, da 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 da. So I'm fine, let's go through insurance. So now they have a lifelong claim on their thing, and blah 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 blah. It was $1,920.88. So now if you add the $250 rental car charge on top of that, it makes it, with quick math, $2,270. No, $2,170. So it was $2,200 to fix my car from a small fender bender. And with me, you know, knowing me, I had to get it done perfectly, and the body shop did not. So I'll show you. So we did have some problems. This mud flap got loose. It's hard to see on camera, but I got OEM clips. They put in non-OEM clips, just the random ones they have at the shop, and they fell out and the mud flap almost came off. There was a rubber seal right here. They didn't put back properly, so now you can see it got dented because it wasn't properly seated. It was sitting up a half an inch, so the tailgate squished it and dented it, which is really annoying. So I had to reinstall the entire trunk strip piece. The tail light got polished, wasn't replaced, so that's kind of annoying. So it's got a little bit thinner plastic. Hopefully it doesn't crack or anything. But they did a really good job painting it. It's impossible to tell. Like, they did a really good job there. So it looks a little yellow on camera because it is. The same with the front bumper. The plastic in the middle don't quite line up. So you can see it looks off there too. So even the side they didn't paint looks off. So it's just an accurate thing. It's hard to see. There you go. See, it looks a little slightly yellow and white. It's just every car has that. So I'm really happy with the repair job. It looks great. I got replacement mud flap, trim piece, chrome piece, this piece, everything was replaced OEM. They put the OEM trunk applique on there as well, which I wanted. So all in all, really, really happy with the repair. It was $2,000 for that, guys. Just be more careful. The car's now fixed and I'm happy to have it back. It took way too long, but that's insurance companies for you. There we go, that's how that looks. Kind of cool. That's the garage wall. This is my dad's 1970s radio I'm cleaning up and fixing. One of the speakers doesn't work, so that's classic. Put the RC car up there. Got the piece from Can-Am, the piece from India. It's looking really, really good, this wall now. And of course, the stickers too. It's almost full, top to bottom, of stickers, so that's kind of dope. Loving the way the garage looks. Besides the mess, that'll be gone though, don't worry about that. Other than that, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for not giving you guys a video for a month. I just needed some time off, and it's tough to be a YouTuber. You know, we're allowed to have time off as well, we really are. And when you make a video almost every day for 4 or 5 years, it gets, you know, it's nice to have a little bit of a break. But I'm back. Here's the Super Duke. We're doing some stuff in the basement, so I have everything here. I don't have the garage very clean, but everything's from the mud room. I've cleared out the entire mud room, which is just back here. So I'm doing some built-ins and stuff. That's gonna be a whole new video and everything like that for my construction of that. But yeah, guys, that's the quick video right there. Thanks again to Moto Amino for sponsoring it. Without them, you know, we can't do these types of videos anymore. It's a tough place on YouTube, but expect lots of content coming, guys. I have not gone anywhere. Peace.